Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to add a footer to our website. It is an integral part of any website and therefore very important. Please follow my steps carefully. To get started, go to the Templates tab and click on the Theme Builder. Next, select the Footer tab and click the Add New button. Next, we see the templates from the library. There are also ready-made pages, and then there is a tab with our existing templates, for example, header. First, we add a new block by clicking on the plus sign, then go to the settings. We set the full width, set the minimum height to 350 pixels, the direction of the columns, and the center alignment. You also need to set that this element is a footer. Next, let's move on to styles and add some color to the background. For example, let's say it's black. Next, go to the right panel and add a new container using the right mouse button. Next, we're going to add some text to this container, and then we're going to customize the styles for the text, so follow my steps carefully. Next, we need to add more containers, but we'll use that panel and just make duplicates of our container. As a result, we got the same 3 containers and now we have changed from a company to a service, for example. Next, we will delete this element through the same panel on the right in the Delete button. Next, we click on the container and add a menu from that list, for example. To move an element up, we need to hold down the element and drag it. Next, we'll add a few styles to the menu. Follow my steps. Change the color to red when you hover over the text of our menu, and make the lines red as well. Next, we need to remove the burger button from the menu. Just select None. Next, we're going to indent a little bit. The margin is about, say, 50 pixels, or maybe to the left or right of the element was a little less or 20 or 30 pixels, preferably for all of them, and we could also make our elements immediately centered, but we'll do it this way because we've already started. And we will do this for all elements to make our footer visually attractive and even more readable. And we will go through all the elements like this. Follow my steps, it's very important. To move to the next container, we must click on the container itself in the right pane, then go to the settings and specify the indents we need. Next, we will add a new container with a plus sign and then specify the width full width. Next, go to Styles and add black to the background. Next, we will add text, selected in the panel. Next, we move on to the styles, but first we will add text. For this I have already entered a query in Google for a special symbol, copied our symbol and then we have to paste it. Then we will add some text that should accurately declare that all our rights are protected. According to the standard it is the symbol year and copyright here, they also indicate the authors. But we just write this option in our field and we then have to set the font color to white, going to the styles as we remember. We are looking at our results. Everything seems to be going well. Next, to save our result, we click on the Publish button. Then we see this window, everything seems to be in order and click Save. Let's see how our liner will look on different devices. Everything looks great to me. Next, click on the button and see the result. This is the result we got. Depending on the design or content, the design can be much more complicated, so today we've covered the basic addition of a footer to WordPress using Elementor. Thank you very much for your attention. See you soon.